Did you know a sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than a cheetah can run. Did you know penguins propose to their mates with a pebble? They present a pebble to show love and commitment. Did you know a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? The name matches their bright, flashy appearance. Did you know humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas? We have more in common with plants than we think. Did you know a crocodile can't stick its tongue out? It's attached to the roof of their mouth. Follow TriviaOrb for more fascinating trivia.